Someone is asking, can you explain conditionals to me? So today I will speak about conditionals. If you mix blue and yellow, you get green. This is a conditional sentence. All conditional sentences are made up of two parts. An if clause, sometimes called a subordinate clause, and a result clause, sometimes called the main clause. With all conditional sentences, you can swap them around. You can say, if you mix blue and yellow, you get green, or you can say, you get green if you mix blue and yellow. Easy. We divide conditionals into several different types. Zero conditional, first conditional, second conditional, third conditional, and mixed conditional. The zero conditional is used for real situations where the results are always the same. If you mix blue and yellow, you get green. It is always the same. They are used for facts, repeatable actions, and habits. In the if clause, we always use a present tense, usually the present simple. And in the result clause, we usually use the present simple. So, for example, if the weather is cold, I wear a coat. Easy. We use the first conditional for a possible situation that is likely and a specific future result. For example, if John arrives, I will cook dinner. In the if clause, we use a present tense, usually the present simple, and in the result, we use a future tense, usually will, but we can say going to or any other way of expressing the future. Another example, if I have time, I will make another video. Easy. I will cover the second, third, and mixed conditionals in more detail in future videos, but to summarize, the second conditional is used for a hypothetical situation with a hypothetical result. For example, if I was rich, I would buy a big house. We can also use were. I can say, if I were rich, I would buy a big house. The third conditional is used for a hypothetical situation in the past with a past hypothetical result. For example, if I had studied more, I would have passed the exam. A mixed conditional is any conditional that does not fit into one of the other categories. For example, a hypothetical situation in the past that has a hypothetical result in the present or in the future. If I had studied French at school, I would apply for the job in France now. There is a lot to learn about conditional sentences, so I will make more videos in the future, but I hope that helps a little. See you next time. Bye.